Dear friends, my name is Upender Ramani. I am working for a leading recruitment services company, Black and White Business Solutions, as a recruitment head. Today, I want to speak with you on important topic: how to crack job interviews. This is primarily to address the students who is finishing education and attending job interviews. Well, I would like to divide the topic in three parts. Number one is before the interview, number two is during the interview, and number three is after the interview. Well, first one, before the interview. So this is the interview preparation part. I would like to share some tips here. First and foremost, know about the company you are attending, like when they started, who are the key people, what are the products and services, and employee strength, locations, and their clients, etc. I would suggest you to visit the company website and their LinkedIn page, and also see some reviews on the Quora. Secondly, know about the interview pattern, what they follow in terms of the tests, how many tests involved, how many rounds of interviews, who are the part of the panel, and also study the previous year placement papers. And my third point is dress neatly, wear formals and tie for the interview because the first impression is the best impression. Well, my fourth point, reach the venue of the interview 30 minutes before the time and join the call 5 to 10 minutes before the time if it is a virtual interview. Do not make interviewer wait for you. And my fifth point is you should have a good sleep in the night to attend the interview for next day. This will give you a fresh mind. Last but not least, have a proper breakfast in the morning. With this, we finish the first part and let us go to the second part of the topic during the interview. Would like to share few ideas here. Once you enter the room for the interview, greet the interviewer with the firm shake hand and sit comfortably. Relax yourself. Ask for water if you are feeling nervous. Look into the interviewer's eyes while answering questions. Do not look around and give genuine answers with a personalized approach. No need to lie. Do not cover if you don't know something. You can always learn and improve. And remember, the interviewer met many candidates like you, so he or she will understand where you are coming from. Now, I would like to see, how to answer some of the questions raised by the interviewers generally. Very common questions. First question, tell me about yourself. This is very important question. Do not talk too much about your personal life. Like, avoid talking about girlfriends, movies, cricketers, etc. Instead, cover your answer with education and give a brief about your family and your personality traits and things you do during in your free time. Let us see a second question. Tell about your internship project. Well, I would suggest you to thoroughly understand, know about the project what you have done during the internship. It may be a simple project. Be genuine, no need to lie here. Explain what you contributed. Highlight the role you played. Remember, your communication and presentation plays a key role. And now let's go to third question. Why we need to hire you, or why you need this job from the interviewer. Do not tell that your company is great, so I want to join here. Everybody tells this answer. Don't be generic. Have a personalized approach here. Map your skills to the job. What value you add to the job. What you like about this company. You may like the company culture, stability, or on-site opportunity, anything like that. And location preferences. Maybe you are from the same city, you are interested to join the company. Share your reference in case you come by a reference, you mention that reference. We interview want to know and how serious you are. That is important. They are trying to understand how serious you are. Give them assurance that you are very much interested in this opportunity, and also suggest you to avoid over promising. And now let's go to the next question. Do you have any plans for future studies? Well, you need to handle this question tactfully. Interviewer keen to understand if you are going for higher studies after the training, or you will continue in the job. Company would expect you to the company and stay with them for a longer time. Nobody would like to waste the training expenses and the resource. And now let's go to the next question. Tell about the strengths and the weaknesses. Here, company want to know if you are aware of your strengths so that you will focus on that strengths. In the same way, company want to understand your weakness so that you will acknowledge them. Are you acknowledging them that you are not good in certain areas? That's it. So mention about your strengths like I'm a quick learner, able to learn things quickly, and over the past 5 years or 3 years I have learned three different languages, like that. And highlight the your skills related to, it can be coding, it can be adaptability, or hardworking, or flexibility, persistency, or motivation, whatever the skills which you are good in, you can highlight that. And mention about the weakness similar, like Maybe you are not good in delegating the task to the team or in others. Maybe you are not attentive to the details or you are not good in public speaking. But what is important, ha- explain what initiatives you took to improve and what actions you have taken. Like you found it hard to manage your time, so started using the post-its on your laptop so that you remember regularly, and even you organize your calendar to include daily, weekly, and long-term tasks. Well, we'll go to the next question. What do you want to become in next 5 years? Do not worry about this question much. Interviewer just want to know how ambitious you are. Do not tell I want to be the CEO. It is unrealistic. Do not tell I want to sit in your seat to the interviewer. This sounds arrogance. Just answer you want to be end-to-end expert in this job and will develop a leading skills, and you'll be a leader who will contribute down the line 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Then now let's go to the next question. Do you have any questions for me? This is very important. Do not ask about the salary at this point of time. This is not the right time. Do not say, ask whether I got selected or not. It's a wrong question here. And also do not tell, no sir, I don't have any questions. This is not right. Instead, what you can ask, well, how urgent this position is you want to fill, how soon you want to, the project is coming up or project is going to start. And you can also ask about the company, what are the upcoming projects or any new offices or any expansion plans. And even you can ask about the culture or atmosphere, and you can even ask about if you got hired, so what is the location you are going to get. Or you can also mention that if you are have that option to get on-site opportunities. So these are the questions you need to ask for this question, so that the interviewer will understand how much you are interested, and also how your the mind status of your mind, whether you are really keen to win this opportunity in this company, and what is your plans if he joins, mentally your preparation, so all that. Well, now this is a final moment. This is very very important. So after the questions, leave the room with a positive note. However you felt, but it's always good to leave with a positive note to the interviewer. Like say, thank you so much for the valuable time, and I am looking forward to hear from you. And lastly, you can ask, can I have your visiting card or contact number or email, so that I will be in touch with you in future. That's it. So with this, we are concluded the second part of the topic. And now we are moving to the third part of the topic, after the interview. Well, do not call the company or manager next day and ask for the feedback. That's wrong. They will certainly get back if you got selected. And give them a week or 2 weeks time, and then send an email or call for feedback. Thank you, one and all. I'm done. You can reach me if you require more details on my LinkedIn, Upendra Ramani, for more details. Have a wonderful career ahead. Thank you. Bye.